This week we embark on a journey into the sensual paintings of renowned master William Adolphe Bouguereau. He was a French academic painter who lived between the years 1825 and 1905. Bouguereau was a master whose talent is adored by some, while others dismiss his artistic merit. What is undeniable is his extraordinary ability to evoke profound emotion and beauty through his brushworks that truly reflect his greatness. Almost every canvas of Bouguereau whispers a story of love, longing, and human experience. Bouguereau represents an idealized world in his painting by means of realistic style that was popular with rich art collectors of the 19th century. He paints mythological themes through the modern interpretation of classical subjects. His remarkable ability to paint skin tones transforms realism into fantastic art. He even treats his ordinary peasant women as if they were striking goddesses. Bouguereau's art is eclectic. He has no interest in avant-garde fashion. He creates artworks that transcend the ultra-sweet romance for which he is sometimes criticized. Every one of his canvases unfurls a narrative steeped in idealized beauty, a harmonious blend of technical mastery and profound emotional resonance. Bouguereau portrays feminine beauty with a delicate sensuality that captivates the eye and stirs the heart. He depicts the human figure as authentically and beautifully as possible to transport us into a world where beauty and emotion entwine seamlessly. Every stroke of his brush captures the play of light and shadow, creating a dynamic interplay that breathes life into his figures. The emotional depth of Bouguereau's paintings is profound. He masterfully depicts the countless expressions and interactions that define our shared experiences. By emphasizing on themes of love, motherhood, and childhood, he showcases the tenderness and delicacy that is inherent in human relationships. In portraying these intimate moments, he invites viewers to reflect on their own connections, invoking feelings of nostalgia and sentimentality that linger long after the gaze has shifted. Bouguereau idealizes his figures to exhibit profound proportions and ethereal beauty, encapsulating a sense of purity and innocence. On his canvases, we see not just the physical beauty, but the emotive soul that animates each figure. Color and light play vital roles in Bouguereau's artistic expression. His palettes often are adorned with soft pastels and a gentle gradation that give his paintings a luminous quality that enhances the idealism and vibrancy of his works. Each hue is chosen with care, contributing to a harmonious composition that is both visually stunning and emotionally evocative. The interplay of light adds depth to his scenes, casting an enhancing glow that draws us into his painted world. In his portrayal of rural life, Bouguereau uplifts peasant subjects, celebrating the dignity and beauty found in the simplicity of everyday life. He elevates the ordinary into the extraordinary, inviting us to find joy and beauty in the mundane. William Adolphe Bouguereau was born in La Rochelle, France. His artistic talents were recognized early, and he began studying at the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris. Bouguereau's career took off after he won the prestigious Prix de Rome in 1850, which allowed him to study in Italy. His time in Italy greatly influenced his understanding of classical art and technique. Upon returning to France, he gained recognition for his sensual scenes and historical subjects, becoming a leading figure in the academic art movement. Throughout his career, Bouguereau became known for his masterful technique and attention to detail, particularly in the portrayal of human figure and the themes of love, motherhood, and peasant life. His works were regularly exhibited at the Paris Salon, where he enjoyed significant success, winning numerous awards. However, with the rise of modern art movements in the early 20th century, Bouguereau's influence began to decline. Yet, after about a century, his paintings have experienced a resurgence of interest in recent years. Today, Bouguereau's legacy serves as a reminder of the power of art to connect us to our shared humanity, inviting us to appreciate the beauty, tenderness, and complexity that life holds.